You see these dogs in your front yard? Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy 302, and today, as you can see, we out here with the boss, man. Today we about to, you know, it's getting kind of cool outside and stuff. It's the winter time, man. So we about to we about to take advantage of this boost weather, this beautiful boost weather that we've been having. We about to take advantage of that. So we about to do some quick runs, some quick hard pulls at I say about mid boost on this car. I should let some air out the tires, but I think it'll be alright. Like if it starts spinning too much, I'm gonna get out of it. But yeah, that's what we about to do. Let's see what the temperature is right now. Oh, it ain't that cold. Temperature right now is 60 degrees, 61 degrees. So, but it's like the air is super cool. Like the air feels great. So yeah, we about to do that, man. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We about to do that, so y'all stay tuned. Let's get started. Man, it's always fun to go for a little night drive. I thought I had more gas ahead than I do, but you know, like you make so much power. Like sometimes when you do hard pulls, all the gas that's in the car hits the back of the tank, and it kind of breaks up your pull a little bit because the car's not getting enough fuel. So that's kind of dangerous. That's like a little quick lesson for some people. Make sure when you racing, you're not racing on E. Make sure you got some gas up in there. Don't be street racing on with no gas in the car at all. It's not smart. Alright, baby, get on this highway, see what we got. I don't know if you can see the boost controller, but I had the boost controller set to, we should be making somewhere around 10.2 pounds of boost. So let's see what it does. Yo, I just spit so bad just then. Oh, damn, I should have let some of the tire pressure out. Oh, damn. Yo, that was crazy. That was just a quick little third gear pull to merge into the highway. I spent so bad just then, it's crazy. Dang. And the crazy part about it was only one tire. Like, I felt it, like the tire on the right back, it definitely spent. Passenger back tire spent hard, like. Well, hopefully that kind of warmed them up, because I'm gonna still get some more in. But that was insane though, like. Woo! Hey, this hey, this motherfucker running. Damn. That shit sounded like Star Wars, like pew, pew, pew. Like, sound crazy, man. Try to roll down the window a little bit more and see if y'all can hear me a little bit more. Let me get over. There's some wet spots out here I'm kind of worried about. Like, I don't know if it just rained like earlier or something, but I keep seeing like little damp spots on the highway, which is a no-go. But I think we should be alright. Get around this traffic. like boosted cars are actually kind of scary. Like it be a lot going on sometimes. You be kind of nervous, like you scared. You don't want to hurt the engine, so you be scared. But then you also scared because it's like it's intense. Like my heart is racing right now, and I haven't really even done much. But the pull I'm about to do, y'all gonna understand why I'm nervous. Let me see if I can clear up some space. I can get a little bit more boost than that. There ain't enough boost for me. Let's see. Let's turn this guy up to duty cycle level 50. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh God, what y'all stepping on y'all brakes for? Y'all see police or something? See y'all slowing down. What y'all slowing down for? Y'all making me nervous. Alright, we got duty cycle on 50. That should give us probably about 11 pounds of boost, I believe, 12. Let's see what it do. I'm about to eat this little hill straightaway up. I can't really tell what's down here though. It's kind of scary. Let's see what it does. As you can see from the boost controller, we hit 13 pounds of boost that time. That is crazy. We was absolutely flying just then. Like, flying just then. But yeah, man, that was crazy. When I say that was crazy, that was absolutely crazy. Like, look, my engage went up. Make sure everything's still working. Yeah, everything still sounds like it's alright. My engage might be tripping a little bit over here, but otherwise than that, see what's up with my engage. Okay, I forgot I broke the tab on my engage, so the line slipped out. And if you looking, and you see that the oil pressure light come on, don't worry about that. My oil pressure sensor, the clip that connects it in, is broke. So sometimes when I do hard pulls, like after a while, it slowly tends to slide back and slide back and slide back until it disconnects on its own. So don't worry, I didn't blow up nothing. We still good. The car still runs, see? That does that sometimes. That's just how it goes, so don't be alarmed. But yeah, man, like I said, I couldn't do too much. I was only doing a quick ride from point A to point B, so I couldn't give y'all nothing crazy. But I hope y'all enjoy like that little thrill that I just gave. I was almost at 13 pounds of boost, around 12 pounds of boost. Y'all do the math. I got twin 60s on the car, and that was 12 pounds of boost. That's probably about, I say about, car's probably making somewhere around what, 820 or something like that. Probably somewhere in that area, around 800, 820. Not bad. I can actually hear the rocks off, bouncing off the radios, because we definitely had some spin back there. But you know, that felt good. Like, boost is insane actually. Like, that was pretty wild. I love it. So yeah, you know, y'all, just a little quick video for my people, man. I'm trying to get as much content out as possible as y'all. I also got a surprise coming for the channel. I'm actually thinking of picking up another car for the channel, like a project car, something like I could do a project on, not nothing that's super expensive or nothing like that. Just a little project car I could bring to the channel and build like from scratch, you know, give y'all like a start to finish, from how it starts to how it ended, like take you on another journey. And you know, might not even be a V8. But yeah, man, I know this wasn't like a long video or much detail in it, but I tried to give y'all like a little experience of driving a boosted car in boosted weather and how extra responsive the car is and how like way more aggressive it is. Like it's amazing. Like I recommend if you like I said, if you haven't boosted a car, if you haven't been in a boosted car before, you should get one of your homeboys to take you for a ride or something. It's one of the best experiences ever, to be honest. Like it's amazing how fast these cars can actually be once you boost them. Like it's crazy, man. But yeah, I didn't want to hold y'all up too long. Just a quick video of me, you know, showing y'all what I do. Like, you know, little quick boost, little boost pull, nothing too crazy. Y'all make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Like, could you hear the turbo sounds? How did it actually sound to you? Could you hear it? But let me know in the comments. It's the boy 302, we checking out.
Hey, this for the YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare, fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.